Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover, middle frame, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the orientation of the front-facing webcam rubber cover. Remove the rubber cover from the front-facing webcam. Disconnect the front-facing webcam ribbon cable from its connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the front-facing webcam from its position on the system board. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Place the front-facing webcam in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the front-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Place the front-facing webcam into position and carefully press down to adhere it to the system board. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Connect the front-facing webcam ribbon cable onto its connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Place the rubber cover onto the front-facing webcam.